Beautiful neighborhood. They lived here since I was 13 years old. I'm 56.
This was before we were married, I think.
They've been here, 40 some years.
Thor was still able to do things then.
Yeah, I stay here with them and help take care of them. They always say, you give and you will receive.
I appreciate all the help. It'll be nice to get it all cleaned up.
Overall, they've done a really good job in maintaining their house, but as you age and start to lose some of your physical ability, everybody needs a little bit of help to be able to stay in their home long term. So that's what Rebuilding Together focuses on, making sure that people aren't at risk of injury or illness in their home.
Several of us are here from UCB.
Yeah,
and we work,
explain that to me.
So it's a biotech company.
A biomedical company that's focused on making sure that people are living healthy lives.
It's not too bad for 2 hours.
No.
So in addition to the landscaping work that you see going on behind us, we're also repairing her back deck, cleaning up some yard waste to make sure that she's not at risk of falls.
It's filling up fast. There's a lot of stuff. That's okay though.
It's hard work, but it's priceless.
Oh, this is awesome. I tell you, I couldn't have done it myself. It's a lot of work.
Oh, I appreciate so much what you're doing. I can't tell you. I look at it. I mean, it's just, I haven't seen it like this for several years. Wow.
Let's go.
Very thankful for all of them. Such good people.